Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Get Mold test kit. So I do want to thank the Get Mold test kit team for actually gifting this to me. So let's go ahead and get started. So essentially how this works is that this test kit comes with different samples. So you have let me pull it out here. You have an outdoor sample, and then you also have indoor samples as well. So essentially how it works is that you have to prepare the area in which you're starting to experience symptoms of mold, whether it's indoors or outdoors. And you get those test sampling kits, or basically sampling cassette trappers, and then you attach it to here. And then you press this, and it basically just tests and catches samples of the air, testing to see if there's any spores or molds within the air. After you catch those samples, you simply just mail it back to them. And with it, you'll have your report in less than a week to determine whether or not there's mold within the air. But overall, I'd say it's not a complicated process on how to use it. It comes with a nice quick guide, very, very easy to use instructions, step by step. And with it, just make sure you follow it as far as collecting the samples goes, turning this on goes, etc. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.